Good Monday morning, Southwest Arkansas. Welcome back to Southwest Arkansas Weather, and let's go ahead and take a look at today's weather brought to you by Palmer's Roofing, J&S Auto Supply, Terry's Place, and Fort Smith Therapy. Once again, taking a look at current temperatures as of 8 a.m. or as of 10:45 this morning. Temperatures are already warming up nicely into the 80s currently across the area. That's going to continue, and if you look at radar, clear conditions right now. Satellite currently shows the same story, sunny and clear conditions, maybe a few clouds that could be possible. Some of those high clouds and such there look to be a possibility there, but mostly sunny skies look likely throughout the day. More thicker cloud cover looks to be in northern Arkansas currently, but a few of those high clouds that we could possibly be dealing with there throughout the day today. But once again, not expecting much in rainfall in terms of rainfall chances today. That's going to return really more towards tomorrow night, and we'll talk about that here in just a minute. Taking a look at today's forecasted highs, though, a nice hot day in store for us today, as highs are going to be in the upper 80s and lower 90s pretty much across most of the area as we continue throughout today. And as you can see in the title, we got a lot to talk about in terms of severe weather and such. We do have multiple chances of severe weather, and we'll get to that here in just a minute, and the chance of heavy rainfall. But overnight lows right now look to be for tonight into the upper 60s tonight, maybe a few lower 70s could be a possibility as we head into the overnight hours tonight. So a warm overnight conditions tonight. And then as we take a look at the first severe weather outlook, and it's on the lower end for tomorrow. There's a marginal risk, that green color area there for the Mena, Mount Ida, Derricks, up to Langley area, down to D Queen, over to just north of the Foreman area and such there. That 1 out of 5 on the severe weather scale. Not expecting much Tuesday or tomorrow night. We will have to watch maybe for a damaging wind threat and large hail threat. It's on the low end, maybe a strong storm here or two there, but not near as high as what we do have coming up the next few days. As we progress into Wednesday, we do have a slight risk pretty much for most of the area from Hampton over to down just south of Magnolia and pretty much everywhere else in that yellow color. That's your 2 out of 5 for the chance of severe weather. That's on your lower end, but you still need to pay close attention to that. Then you have that marginal risk there for the El Dorado, Hampton, and pretty much the rest of the area that's not in that slight risk. Once again, we don't have the specific threats yet from the Storm Prediction Center, but it does look right now like the main threat looks to be large hail, damaging wind gusts. Tornado threat's low but limited. The severe threat on Wednesday is really a little more limited compared to what's in store Thursday afternoon and Thursday night. Thursday is going to be, I think, right now one of the main days to pay attention to. We are going to have to still watch Thursday closely, or we're going to have to watch all 3 of these days closely because we have that threat for severe weather. It still needs to be monitored closely. But taking a look at Thursday's severe weather outlook, we do have a slight risk for all of our area. This is currently, that day 4 out from, our 4 days out. So you currently only have access to the slight and enhanced risk. We'll see what the National Weather Service does, but right now we have a slight risk, 2 out of 5 on this severe weather scale for Thursday as well. All modes of severe weather could be a possibility. Just remember that as we get closer, we'll start to get more information, but we do have that slight risk out for severe weather there as well. So we're going to continue to monitor that closely. Not ruling out, that tornado threat on Wednesday, but it's going to be on the lower side. Damaging wind, large hail threats looks to be the main threat currently. But Thursday looks to be the main day that we're going to be paying a close attention to as well. But we're going to be watching all 3 of those days. We do have a severe weather risk in some sort of fashion for our area. We also do have a heavy rain potential. I don't have a graphic out for that yet because there's still some uncertainty there. But currently, from what we've been seeing on data and such there, I would say the heavy rainfall outlook, or the potential of some forecasted rainfall through late Tuesday through Thursday night looks to right now be across the I-30 corridor and west. So basically in this general, from Malvern, Arkadelphia, Hope, Texarkana, and kind of to the northwest for the potential of up to 2 to 3 inches, maybe a swath of 3 to 4 inches in some areas. Then as you go a little further to the south east, it kind of gets a little lower to half an inch to 1 inch there. But we're going to monitor it closely and keep you updated. I know we have Memorial Day weekend coming up here soon. We're going to do a live stream tonight on Facebook and YouTube to go over more information, and we'll have more graphics there for that. But once again, really looks like an active period. And also, can't right now we don't have any severe weather risk for going into this weekend and such, but we can't rule out the possibility of a strong storm or two being a possibility as we head into this weekend. The active period looks to continue with rain chances throughout the rest of this week, really. So enjoy today, enjoy tomorrow. It's not going to rain all day tomorrow. It's more tomorrow night. Could be a drier day, and then rain chances look to continue as we head in through the rest of the week. Once again, as we get closer to the Memorial Day weekend, we'll have a forecast specifically out for that, and we'll continue to keep you updated on any new information that we have for the severe weather outlooks and the heavy rainfall potential there as well. But remember, slight risk in place for Thursday and Wednesday. And that's going to be for the chance of some large hail, damaging wind threats, maybe a tornado threat with this. It's a tornado threat's a little on the lower end, but we still need to watch for those severe weather potentials there as well. Currently, Thursday looks to be the main big day. We'll continue to watch it, and we'll keep you updated. You still have a risk out for all 3 days across portions of the area. So what I want you to do is just stay weather aware this weekend, throughout this week, and just pay close attention to that. We're in an active period, so as always, just stay weather aware, have multiple ways to receive warnings, and know what to do in case anything is issued later this week. We do have that marginal risk on Tuesday night for that Mena, Mount Ida, Umpire, Derricks, and D Queen areas there at this current time. Once again, big thanks to our sponsors, Palmer's Roofing, J&S Auto Supply, Terry's Place, Fort Smith Therapy for all they do to help us get this information to you guys. We do have some more. Updates coming on what we have planned for the future. We do have some things that we're going to announce here pretty soon. We're working on getting the details lined out and such for that, but it will involve something to do with the Facebook page or with the Facebook side of things. Nothing's changing. Forecasts are still going to come out on YouTube and Facebook. This just gives us another opportunity to do more content over there on the Facebook side. But once again, thank you guys, as always, for trusting us right here with your source for all things Southwest Arkansas weather. Make sure to stay cool today. Enjoy the drier conditions and warmer temperatures. We're kind of getting closer to that summer type temperatures with highs in the 90s and upper 80s today across the area, mainly in the 90s today. Already seeing temperatures in the 80s currently as of 10:50 this morning. So we'll continue to keep you updated. Make sure to follow the Facebook page and the YouTube page here. A lot of our viewers aren't subscribed to the YouTube page, so make sure you subscribe there to this as well for more live nonstop severe coverage over here on YouTube, severe coverage, and these morning outlooks and little shorts for the 5-day forecast and such, or 6-day forecast and such there. So have a good rest of your Monday. Enjoy this week. We'll continue to keep you updated right here at your source for all things Southwest Arkansas weather.